What's the meaning of caked? Caked. Caked.
Caked. Caked. The term cake typically refers to something that has become covered or coated in a thick layer of some substance, often a solid or dry material. This can be applied to a variety of situations, such as a surface covered in dirt, a vehicle covered in snow, or a person's face covered in makeup. When something is caked, the result is a thick and often hard-to-remove layer that can hinder performance or appearance. The term can have negative connotations, implying neglect or a lack of cleanliness. Overall, being caked is usually not desirable and requires effort to remedy.